I'm A.J. Wilder, President and CEO of Wolcott Architecture Interiors. Every year they come out with the top 100 giants in the interior design industry, and we have made that for the last 12 years. We really want to make the people's work environment feel as close to their home environment to really make them comfortable, get them into flow, and really have them enjoy that environment and the community that they're around. We really pride ourselves on making sure that we're on the forefront of the designs. Office security typically wouldn't be part of that conversation of how do you create a modern office environment. The beauty of Openpath's approach is it encourages architects to want to talk about that sooner. If you can have all of your apps on one device, that's going to be a lot better approach than looking at the old card key scenario where you'd have to carry 3, 4 card keys. You'd need one for the garage, you'd need one for the office, you'd need one for the IT room. To be able to get rid of all of those and have it in one location makes it really simplified. The shape of the reader is very much organic, all the way down to the access light. The device can also be put in the ceiling, and it can be put on the interior face of the wall, which allows you to hide it if it's not fitting in with the aesthetics that you're designing as an architect. If you're looking for a modern, flexible access control system, I would recommend you looking at Openpath. It is great, it's creative, it's inspirational, and it really makes you want to have the discussion about security.